Alright, coming to you live from Salt Restaurant in Pattaya. We're actually going to have dinner here tonight. Taking my lady here. Got a nice view. Yes, nice view. Pretty cool setup here with the pool on the top. And of course a bar. You gotta have a bar up here. Get your drinks. Great location. Really good view of the beach. This is just down the street from my condo. I believe you can see it up there, the kind of round one. That's where I bought the 15th floor up top there. And yeah, that's the view. This is the view from my balcony. This is the view from here, from this restaurant. So we booked this spot for tonight to have dinner here. We're here for New Year's. New Year's we're going to be on the balcony having wine and cheese and crackers, but tonight we're going to be here having some seafood, like seafood on the beach. So Salt Restaurant in Pattaya, Jomtien Beach. Chai. Walking through the little tower. The tower.
Wow,
Chai, it is beautiful. Sway muck. I want to go for a swim. Look at that. Beautiful. Water in the distance. We got little tables and chairs over here. The bar again from this morning. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is us over here. Sorry, Cup. We got our little corner of the world over here. Little paradise. Nice view. It is beautiful. Pattaya. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.